part 4 now. Finished up yesterday, was a little crazy. Finished up this morning sanding the seams and the screw holes for the ceiling. That's all flush. Now we're going to put a coat of primer on the ceiling. I found some masonry primer for the walls, so hopefully I can get that on while that's drying, clean and prep the walls, and then put a coat of primer on and then finish up that. So first off, I'm going to start with priming the ceiling. I did go ahead and run the electrical for the lights that I cut yesterday. Got 2 coats of primer on the ceiling. Let the second coat fully dry. I'm gonna put a third coat on because I had some chalk lines and some of the paper print through. But while that one's fully drying, let's scrub these nasty walls. Looks like they used just a household paint on the block, as you can see. It's washing right off. And that's why I'm here, cleaning this, so we can then prime it again, or prime it initially, because that's not primer, that's just wall paint. So we'll put actual masonry paint on, and then we'll be able to put a latex paint over it to get full coverage and make it look crazy. It's coming right off. And then we'll make it look as clean as possible. So, it's gonna be a long day. It's been about 10 minutes. Take me about 10 minutes, say. And you can see I've all but scrubbed most of the latex paint off the wall. There's still more spots, as you can see up here. Clean that up. But I guess I got it. This wall as good as it's gonna get. So now I have 4 more times the wall to scrub. So, elbow grease, hot water. Get back to it. Oh, good morning. It's about 7:45 in the morning, and I'm just trying to find some time to get my second coat of paint on the ceiling. 1 coat on, went on pretty well. Just gonna put a second coat on real quick, just to make sure everything's covered before we add the trim. And I really wanna throw these lights in tonight so we can wash these walls and not worry about using a secondary camera light. I want some overhead light, really show the walls, show the dirt, clean it off. So let's get to it. And that. This is the second coat. Not gonna have to go crazy with it. Just wanna make sure we have full coverage, no crazy, oh, I'm dripping. crazy lines, high spots, missed spots. You know, just an even coat of paint, especially around the recessed lighting holes. I don't know if they're called something different besides holes, but last but not least, a couple little spots like that tight spot here. So I'm back in the foster quarantine dog room. As you can see behind me, all of the walls have been washed, somewhat cleaned up, ready for a fresh coat of primer. And that's what I'm gonna do today. It's time to paint. Just gonna we're gonna lay this on pretty heavy. Doesn't have to be pretty, just has to cover, especially these grout lines. Don't worry, we're gonna paint this too. I'm just not gonna get to it now. I'll move this curtain or paint the curtain. This is gonna be a fun day. I'll keep doing this. I'll get back to you. Update, we've gone ahead. I've gone ahead. Got everything trimmed in around the doors, some seams, back here behind the door, and now it's time to move on and do some rolling. Got a little water left on the roller, so it's going on a little thin. And it's windy outside, so the door keeps blowing open. Good seam coverage, and since the cinder block is nice and porous, there's going to be some missed spots. But I'll get back to that, and I'll get back to you.